Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with the message passing model algorithm. So in the previous video I explained what is the message passing algorithm is. Now let's see how to model the processors and the channels that are present in the network. Okay, so let's see. The first thing is the processor is a state machine including, first you have to think what is the processors and how many channels that will be there and what is the state machine that the processor is including. So now let's see, the processor is a state machine including, so including what? It includes, the processor includes the local state of the processor, local state of the processor means what is the status of that processor within that system. So that has to be defined in the state machine. And the mechanism of modeling channel. What type of mechanism that is using for modeling the channel? Mechanism for modeling channel. Okay. So the processor is a state machine which including the local state as well as a mechanism for the modeling. And next, for modeling the channels, the channel directed from processor, let's take the processor Pi to processor Pj. So here I am going to model the channel. So how it is, the channel is directed from, let's take the processor Pi to Pj. Okay, Pj is modeled in two pieces. Is model in two pieces, like, so model in two pieces, like one is out buffer and another is in buffer. Out buffer, so which is a variable of Pi. So the Pi processor variable you call it as an out buffer, and in buffer. In buffer is the variable of Pj. Let us take the variable of Pj. Means the Pi processor is sending a message. So whenever it is sending, it's call it as a out buffer. Okay. Whenever it is sending, we call it as an out buffer. And this Pj on the other side, the Pj is receiving the message. The Pj is receiving the message. So for this, for receiving the message, we use a variable that is the in buffer. So sending the message by Pi is an out buffer variable and receiving the message, the Pj is an in buffer variable. Okay. So out buffer corresponds to the physical channel. Here. Out buffer corresponds to physical channel. Whereas in buffer to incoming message queue. In buff is for to incoming message queue. Okay, means the message is incoming from P1 to the P2. So it is maintaining one queue, one after the another, like that. So let's take this is a P1's local variable. Let's take P1's local variables will be present here, and the same way the P2's another system local variable, another processor local variables. Okay, so now this is the time for to send the message. So outbuff is a variable of this P1 local variable. Okay. Let's take the messages passing here, and here this is, you call it as in buffer of 2. So here P1's local variable is the out buffer. So this out buffer 1 is sending message to in buffer 2. So out buffer is a P1's local variable and the in buffer is a P2's local variable. So this is sending the message over out buffer 1 and it is receiving by the in buffer 1 in this area. And here also this P2 is now sending the message, giving the reply. So how it is giving the reply? This is a out buffer 2 and this pass to here P1's variable, this is a in buffer 1. So the 1 is for the local P1 system and the 2 is for the P2 system. And whenever the P1 wants to send a message, it sends over the out buffer and this will be stored in buffer incoming message queue. So here this is a queue. Okay. So this is a queue. So all the messages are stored in the in buffer queue. In buffer to incoming message queue. Okay. And P2 is sending the message and here it maintains a queue. And the P1 side. Okay. So the local variable plus in buffer is accessible state for a processor. What you call is accessible state for a processor. So in this way, we are accessing the state of a processor by using the local variable plus in buffer. So this is how you are going to model the processors, means arrange the processor in a topology, in any one of the topology, and you have to assign the channels. So the channels is directed from processor to another processor by using this in buffer and the out buffer variables. Thank you.